Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yuzu Chicken. This is basically chicken teriyaki, but I'm adding some yuzu flavor to it to make it fresh. It's very easy and you can make it in no time. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this yuzu chicken, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken thigh, 4 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons each of mirin, soy sauce, sugar and flour, and 2 small yuzu citrus, 1 for the seasoning, 1 for the condiment. Let's cut the chicken first. You can make this dish with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I'm going to do it with the skin off, so let's remove it. Trim all the fat. And just cut it into bite-sized pieces. About this size. Put it in the bowl. Some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. Half of the sake, which is 2 tablespoons. Rub it well. And leave it for a while, about 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the sauce. Use the zest in a small bowl. And the juice. So let's cut it into half. Squeeze it through a strainer so that you can remove the seeds and the bits. Remaining sake, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar all in. Give it a mix. And the sauce is ready. Back to the chicken. Add flour and mix. And it's time to cook. Heat up about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan. The oil is hot enough, so let's put the chicken. And saute them until it's golden brown on both sides. The bottom side is cooking good, so let's cook the other side. side is looking good too. So it's time to add the sauce. Turn the heat to low. And add the sauce. And let it simmer for 3 minutes to cook the chicken completely and also to cook down the sauce. Simmer for 3 minutes and the sauce is thickened. Let's kill the heat. Serve on the plate. Some fresh Yuzu citrus so that you can squeeze to add more Yuzu flavor when you eat. And Yuzu Chicken is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's squeeze fresh Yuzu and いただきます。The flavor of Yuzu citrus is so fresh and it's a nice balance with salty sweet teriyaki sauce. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Yuzu chicken is the main, so it goes here. The main is brown and soft, so let's add some colors and texture. How about vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles for the other one. Plain rice here and sweet potato miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!